Need a website for your business? First, go to the site 123.com and let me show you what to do. So the first step is to edit your website name. Hover over the website name and click the Edit Logo button. Here you can easily change the name of your website and upload your own logo. Next thing is to edit your homepage. Click on the homepage text. And let's change the title and subtitle. We need something attractive and meaningful. This toolbar above you allows you to design your text. For example, set the text to bold, change the font, the text size, and more. Okay, now let's change the background. Click on this button over here to select an image from our library. Let's find something related to the office spaces. So the keyword would be office. Here we go. You can also set a color as your background. Here's a button for that. Now, you want to add pages to your website. Click on Pages in the top menu, then Add New Page button to see all the available options. From the About page to e-commerce, everything can be added in just a click. Drag the page to set its position in the menu, and click the Edit button to customize the content of the page. For example, let's change the name of this guy over here. Don't forget to save. And here we go. Designing your website's colors is super easy. All you need to do is pick your favorite combination from our pre-made color palettes and just give your website a fresh new look. Okay. So to interact with your visitors, you can display your contact information, such as phone and email, on the header of your website, as well as add a floating contact button on the footer of your website. And you can change it as you want. Let's add our phone number here. Okay, so the final touch is to choose a custom domain name. It'll help you build trust and look professional, but most importantly, it'll help your website rank higher on search engine results. Site 123 offers more than 400 domain extensions that'll help you set the address you always wanted for your business. The websites are fully responsive and fit to every device and screen resolution. You can click the preview button to get a glimpse of what your site looks like on different devices. If you need help with something, it's as easy as clicking the blue question icon. Our live chat window will open and you can start a conversation with one of our support agents, which are available 24/7. So what are you waiting for? Go to site123.com and start building your website today.